Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I am going to show you how to get free virtual card in Nigeria. Now if you live in Nigeria and you want to get a virtual card, then just know that it is very simple. All you have to do is first of all head over to the Play Store or Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. Now in there, just click on the search tab there and type OPay. And then you send. Now there are other platforms that will give you virtual card, but I usually recommend OPay because OPay is more better than other ones. That is why I recommend it to my followers. So that's it. Once you get OPay, just download it and then you head to the platform that you just downloaded, the OPay app that you just downloaded. After creating your OPay account, because you must need to create an OPay account first. So after creating an OPay account, all you have to do now is to look at the bottom of the app. You see finance and then you see card. Just click on the card. After clicking on it, you're going to see two varieties of card. You're going to see the physical card and you're going to see the virtual card. What you're going to do is to click on the virtual card because it is the virtual card that you want to create. As you can see here, I've already created mine, so I cannot be able to create another one. So you that want to create a virtual card in Nigeria, so after clicking virtual card, then you see a process where they will tell you to fill in informations about this card and all that. So after filling it, you're going to get a free virtual card. You will not pay for anything. You will not pay for anything. You just create it like that. It will be free for you, free of charge. After that, you can now use this virtual card to make any online payments and it will go. So that is how you can get free virtual card in Nigeria. It is very simple. So this comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.